This is exactly how you can adjust your TV brightness without a remote. So the easiest way to do so is to actually get the Google Home app. So you need to get the Google Home app here. As you can see, you should be able to get it on the App Store if you have an iPhone, or Google Play Store if you have an Android. So now on the Google Play Store here, what you need to do is to go to the Home button here and then try to find your TV. For me, it's in here, as you can see, and now you can click on Open Remote. So quite often, if you're connected to the same Wi-Fi on your TV and on your mobile, you should be able to access your TV with Google Home, and then you can have a remote here. So now you can see when I click on these things right here, I'm able to move, and then click on OK here. So now I'm just gonna move into, oh whoops, I think I clicked on something wrong here. I have to move to settings here, and then click on all the settings. And then I believe we have to scroll down here and click on, let's see, I haven't done this in a while, to be fair. I think it's a display and sound here, yep, and picture, and then brightness here, as you can see. And now I can just adjust it exactly however I want here. You can see, just gonna cancel this one, cancel. I click on OK, I guess. Okay, yeah, so you can see now I can actually adjust it here with my phone instead. So yeah, basically that is exactly how you can adjust your TV brightness without a remote.